Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce in New Jersey without a lawyer. First, you need to confirm you meet the state's residency requirements, which typically means one person has lived in New Jersey for at least 12 consecutive months. Next, determine your grounds for divorce. Irreconcilable differences is a common choice. Finally, start gathering all your crucial financial and personal documents, like tax returns and bank statements, to prepare for the process ahead. Now that you have gathered your information, it is time to prepare your official documents. You will need to accurately fill out the complaint for divorce and any other required forms, ensuring all details are correct. Once completed, take these documents to the Superior Court of New Jersey in the county where you or your spouse resides and officially file them. Remember to pay the filing fee, which is typically around $300 at the time of submission. After filing your documents, the next critical step is to formally serve your spouse with the divorce papers. This means ensuring they officially receive a copy of the complaint for divorce and other filed documents. You can often do this through certified mail or by using a process server, following strict court rules. Once service is complete, you must file a proof of service with the court, confirming your spouse has been properly notified. As your case progresses, you may need to attend court hearings or mediation sessions to resolve any disputes. The goal is to negotiate a comprehensive marital settlement agreement that addresses all aspects, including asset division, child custody, and support. Once an agreement is reached, you will submit the final judgment of divorce to the judge for their signature, officially finalizing your divorce and allowing you to move forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.